Okay, this time I'm going with the ordered list with the type. What is the type I'm giving? Something like a Roman number. When I say Roman number, you can see the output of this program. Roman letters are coming. Roman numbers are coming. Can you see this? So you can go with the tick marks. You can go with images. All these things in the part of CSS, sir. But these are attributes from HTML we have. We are trying to working with the HTML attributes only right now. But later we can able to work with the images. We can able to work with the tick marks. Yes. Good morning, Jubin. Later we can go for the different kind of things also, but this time you can work with the type now. What are the different other types available? Let me check. And I can say capital I also. When I say capital I, order list type with capital I, type capital I. And type here a small I. Small I means small Roman numbers. Capital I means capital Roman numbers. When I say capital Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers will come. And there is one more option. You can go with the one more attribute. Start with my order list. Need to start with the specific number. Specific number. I want to start my order list with 1,000. I want to start my order list from 1,000. When I want to go with the start 1,000, it will start from the 1,000. It will start from the 1,000. You can see my starting number is my own wish. Starting number is my own wish. I can say something like this. But these attributes which are available only for order list, not for unordered list. Now we'll go for unordered list. What about unordered list? Unordered list. Unordered in the name only there. There is no order for this. You can define your unordered list using with the UL tag. UL tag. Inside the UL, the same list items you will be having. Same list items. I want to go with the names, something like Suresh. Okay. Hamud. Srinivas. Sampath. So this time this is unordered list. Unordered list, nothing but there is no order, sir. There is no order. You can see all comes with the dots. Unordered list basically comes with the dots. So you cannot reverse, you cannot start with, you cannot make Roman numbers, you cannot give the numbers and all. Unordered list means unordered. It means dots. And find one more thing. There is a kind of definition list, no? We check with the definition list also. Definition list. Then we'll close about the list items. So I already told you root level tag is DL, and every definition should have the definition title and definition description or definition data. Definition description, definition title. Definition title is HTML over there, and definition data and definition description is a hypertext markup language. Okay. Markup language which we'll use for design web page. This is the data for that. Okay. Next, one more definition I want. This is the first definition, right? I want to take one more definition. Definition title CSS and definition data. CSS is cascading style sheets used for styling web pages. That's all. So I took only two definitions here, but what is the output of the definition list? You can see in the output now. Can you see we have two definitions? Definition list, definition title is starting from browser, but definition description, it will take some indentation, it will take some gap. It will take some gap from the browser edge. It is look like nice. Okay. Am I clear? How this definition title and definition data is going to be available for the definition list. These are the multiple definition list items. List of definitions you can specify. List of unordered values you can specify. List of ordered values you can specify. In ordered list, you will be having multiple attributes also. So those attributes we tried already multiple attributes like a type and reversed and starts with and all. And you can check practice the program for the program. Whatever the name you want, you can just go for that. So my program name is list items, right? List items dot html. Okay, so you keep the name. You have to do the practice, sir. So when you are trying to doing the practice with the VS Code, the program name, whatever the code you want to write, you can properly write it. I will save this and I will share as PDF this notes and programs. You can do practice well. Your practice is very, very important. Without practice, nothing is remember for you. Without practice, nothing is remember for you. Please try to understand it. Without practice, nothing is remember to you. Please try to understand it. Okay. Let me go. Okay, let me go with the one more thing. Text to decoration tags. Text to decoration tags. Let me try to work out with a different kind of text to decoration tags. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Text to decoration tags. There are multiple kind of text to decoration tags. Something like a bold tag. One sec. Bold tag, italic tag, and underline tag. Bold tag means B. Italic means I. Underline for U. And one more is something like emphasize tag. See, I will take the program, then you can understand how the things are happening with. And one more thing is a delete tag for deleted text. One more is pre tag, preferable format. One more is a HR tag for horizontal row. Okay, let me take the program, how these tags are going to be executing, the text decoration and all. Inside HTML, text underscore decoration, dot HTML. Every file saved with dot HTML only. Okay, so first of all, B, web development. B, web development. Let me go with the I for italic. Again, web development I'm taking. Next, DEL, web development. Again, I'm taking the text like a web development. Next, I'm taking one HR for horizontal. Next, strong tag, strong for strong text, web development. Next, yeah, you can execute the program and try to work out this. Yeah, web development is there. This one is the bold one, and this one is the italic one, and this one is the DEL one, deleted one. But I want to see everything in the new line. If you want to see the new line, you can go with the break, right? Take a break tag now. Every time I'm taking a break. I'm taking a break for every time. So when I take a break, you can see that. Yeah. First one is bold. Second one is italic. And third one is deleted one. Third one is the deleted one. And fourth one is HR. HR is horizontal row. And the last one, fifth one is the strong tag. Strong is something like a strong text. The bold and strong look like same. Bold and strong look like same. And one more tag is something like subtag. Subtag is subscription. Subtag. Subtag superscription.
Sir, what is EM tag?
EM also look like IMAN. Let me go EM also. EM web development. That also same like italic, but there is no much difference between that and this. Italic and I tag both are look like same, and strong tag and bold tag look like same. There is no much difference between that and this. You can see that.
Yeah.
You can see this. You can see the differences between that and this. But some difference you can see with the DEL tag. DEL is something like a deprecation text, deprecated text. Is it clear?
Yeah, you got it.
Yes, fine. Yes, fine. 1 second, I just want to keep laptop charge. Give me 1 second. Now let's go for the one more tag like a subscription and superscription also. What about the subscripted text? For example, I want to write a formula like H2O formula. H2O. What is the H2O formula? What is the Y formula for H2O?
Water.
Whenever you want to see the H2O, without having the subscription text, that will not feel good. Okay. When I go with the subscription, for example, I want to write the same H2O here. H2O on the top. See the difference between that and this. I cannot do as a subscripted for the H in the part of the first one. H2O, that is different, and H2O, this is different. But this is a formula. This is a formula. This is not a formula. This is a simple word. Am I right? Am I right? But whenever you are in the HTML, when you want to go with subscription, when you want to give some subscripted text, you need to go with the subtag for that. Subtag for that. Okay, I want to give the formula like a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. I want to see the formula, a simple formula, mathematical formula like this. Okay, if you want to see the formula like this kind of superscription, now we will get it. Okay, when I keep like this is not a formula. This is not a mathematical formula. Is this a mathematical formula? Suppose, madam, you are the blogger. You are the blogger. You are the blogger for the chemistry. You are the blogger for the mathematics. You want to give the number of formulas in that. When you want to try to write in the blog different kind of formulas, mathematical formulas or chemical formulas, then it is not possible directly with the words. What we need to do then, we need to give the subscription and superscription for that. Okay, so in the part, I want to give the superscription for the two. These two will be inside this. And these two also inside of the soup tag. And these two also inside of the soup tag. Am I right? These two also for the top level. Now superscription. You can see the difference between that and this. What happened? The previous one is different, and this time it is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Now this is the understanding process of text decoration tags. There are multiple kind of text decoration tags. We are decorating the text in the different ways. We are decorating the text in the different ways. By the tags, there are multiple tags. I already given the theory for this. Subtag for subscription text. Subtag for superscription text. HR tag for horizontal row. Pre tag for preferable format. Yes, we have to go with the pre tag now. Why pre? Basically, there is my learning formula should be like this. My learning formula should be like this. I'm learning my technical skills like this. I'm learning my technical skills like this and Python and Django, then MongoDB, then project. This is my learning methodology. This is my learning methodology. Okay. I want to show something like full stack learning process. Full stack learning process. This is my thing. I want to display full stack learning process in the can I go with underline? So I want to define this formula, this step-by-step process of learning full stack. When you want to see that, what is this? What is happening here? Clumsy, na? Everything in the single line. Why? Because of that is plain text. I don't want to show like that. I want to go with the pre-format. Preserved, preferable or preserved format. I want to go with the preserved format. When I say preserved format, okay, now you can see the browser. Can you see and try to understand how the things is? The new lines and spaces will be allowed. The new lines and spaces will be allowed with the preservable format, preserved format. Why the pre-tag should be? See, we are not working on CSS right now. We are working on HTML right now. Once we done with HTML, then we will go with the CSS part of learning. This is simply HTML. We are learning HTML right now. Then later we will go with the CSS and all. Then you can understand the things very, very clear. And I'm giving these notes also. Program, text, formatting. Let me say text formatting.html. So you can do practice, man. Everybody, please do practice. I will share the document. I will share the document in the group. You can take the document and you can just go through the document. The complete document, whatever so far we done today. I'm going with the practical way. And tomorrow onwards, we go with the different other things like tables, how to define tables and what are the kind of tables and forms and different kind of container tags and different types. Okay, so tomorrow mostly I complete the HTML and day after tomorrow I jump into the CSS part and we try to go with the CSS very soon. Then we try to go with the JavaScript also very soon. You try to explore yourself in the part of the front end first. So once you understand the front end, then we will jump into the backend system also and advanced level React also very soon. That is having highly demanding in the market. You know that, I think so. React and Angular, which are the technologies highly demanding and highly packages. Even 1 + 2 years of experience guys are getting 10 lakhs package, 12 lakhs package. Okay. Any questions so far till now?